Hi, congratulations on making it to this video. My name is Shirley Hopman, and I just want to say thanks for checking out my story and actually taking a step forward. Raising your hand and saying, I want to see how I can make a change in how I'm living life. It's funny, but if you think about it, most people in the world just sort of sit in silence, working a job they hate and sort of going on and live life as if there's no other alternative. You know what I mean. But a small number of people in the world actually do make a change. They hit a point where enough is enough and they decide to do something about it, and they take their life back. And those few individuals go on to change everything for themselves, their families, their loved ones, and are owners of exciting, happy, and fulfilled lives. And just a few short years ago, I did this. I was sick of not having enough money. And I decided it was time for me to take back control. I've never been so challenged and pushed in my life, but it's been an incredible process, one that has changed me forever. And I want to share that with you right now. So here's what's next. On the next page, you're going to watch a short video with a guy named Dave. And he's going to share with you a little bit about a 15-day online business challenge we're doing. We've just launched it, and I think you're absolutely going to love it. He'll share with you a few of his strategies that have helped him build not just one, but multiple seven-figure businesses all on the internet. Again, I think you're going to love what he's got to share with you. Now, I don't know where you're at. If you're nearing retirement, if you're bored or looking for a side hustle, or maybe you're sick of working 40, 50, 60-hour work weeks for the man. Or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom who's got a little extra time on your hands. No matter where you're at, imagine what it would feel like to learn how to create, from scratch, an online business to empower yourself to take your life back and to finally enjoy doing what you do. I'm not saying this is easy because truthfully it's not. But if you're willing to put in the work, we'll hand you the blueprints. So if you'd like to see this short video with Dave, click the button directly beneath this video and you'll be sent immediately over to Dave. Be sure to take immediate action on what you learn, and I can't wait to walk alongside you and help set you free. So again, my name is Shirley Hopman, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Click the button below and let's rock and roll.